Hey guys, we're here at Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and it's a special day today. We're gonna go explore, and this is our first time being here, so it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, we got dinner with Beauty and the Beast, or lunch actually.
Yeah, it's lunch, and
it's like there now.
It's like in 30 minutes. We gotta go. Bye. We made it to our lunch reservations. We're actually kind of early.
Wow,
We still have 10 minutes to go and our table's ready. Look at this. All right. We're inside. We're in the ballroom.
The rose is over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the enchanted rose.
Oh, another room.
Look at our dessert. Oh, it's so good. And it's a little chip.
Oh, it's gonna be good. I already had a filet mignon for lunch. So now dessert, I'm gonna squeeze it in, hopefully. Oh my gosh, now I am stuffed to the gills. I don't think I could squeeze anything else in if I had to.
It was amazing though.
Yeah, we're gonna go walk off the lunch.
Yeah.
Find some souvenirs too.
Welcome to the celebration, everybody!
He just saw Mickey.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. He's still back there behind us. Alright. Well, now that we saw Mickey and spent lots of money, we're gonna go take some pictures.
Yeah.
Maybe ride a ride or something.
Yes. Maybe I'll get him on a roller coaster.
Nah.
It's okay. I asked them for.
It is hot. 80 degrees, feels like, to me, like 90. We're sweating, but it's okay.
We're standing in the shade for a minute.
Taking a break. The people mover officially.
Yeah. It's the most thrilling ride ever.
It's the most thrilling ride at Disney World. And we're moving 0.2 miles an hour.
That's gonna be fun.
Enjoy your trip.
Alright. Now we're moving a little faster.
Yeah.
And we're going to take a tour of Tomorrowland or something?
Tomorrowland.
Yeah. Ooh, I see the castle coming up right up here.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
May I have your
And that's it, it's over. We're just kidding.
Remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time.
Put our feet up because we're by ourselves.
Remain
One
seated
benefit of COVID, I
for your
guess.
own safety. Thank you.
Let's talk through this right. I love tequila. I live on tequila. Thanks to you. That's Club 33. It's kind of a secret club in Disney, but there's the door. We found it. We can't get in. Going in the treehouse. It's still raining just a little bit, but that's okay. Kind of adds to the effect. This will be a nice place. I'd spend the night up here.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children.
Hey guys, that's gonna do it for our trip to Disney World. It was a quick trip, it was a one-day trip, but hey, when you're in the area, you gotta come to Disney World, right? And we had so much fun. It was our first trip together here.
It was a lot of fun.
It really was. It's a magical place. It never gets old. I could come back over and over 100 times. I think I would still love it.
Maybe for the 75th anniversary.
Never know. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye. That was awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
What a way to end the
Oh,
day
look at
here
the
at Disney
castle.
World.
It's all lit up now. That's so cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Not crying.
Not crying at all.